Hi everyone, welcome to Yan's Family Table. I'm Yan and today we're going to be making a traditional Mapo Tofu. This is probably one of the most famous Sichuan dish out there, and for good reason. The essence of Mapo Tofu are Sichuan peppercorns. So to start, we'll need to prep the peppercorns by toasting and pounding it into a fine powder. Besides the Sichuan peppercorn powder, these are all the other ingredients that will be going into my Silken Mapo Tofu. The two ingredients that give this dish its characteristic flavor are the broad bean chili paste or 郫县豆瓣 and the fermented soybeans. So don't skimp on these, they can be readily found in Asian grocery stores. Finely chop the two ingredients together to release the flavors and improve the texture of the final dish. Then, as usual, chop ginger, garlic, and the white part of the green onion. Reserve the green part for later. And voila! The holy trinity of Chinese stir-fries. To make Silken Mapo Tofu, we'll be using silken tofu. You can use any type of fresh tofu, but I like silken tofu here for its smooth and almost creamy-like texture. Then prep the cornstarch slurry and we're ready to cook. In a hot wok, heat up some vegetable oil. Add in chopped ginger, garlic, and green onions. Fry for about 2 minutes. And then add in your chopped broad bean paste and fermented soybeans. Oops, here I forgot to add in my mincemeat. Ideally, it should go in the wok first. Fry everything over high heat for around 1 to 2 minutes. Then adding your ground chili powder to taste. And ground Sichuan peppercorn powder also to taste, depending on how spicy and numbing you like it. Fry the dry spices in the wok to bring out the flavors, and then add water to deglaze. Next, add light soy sauce for saltiness, dark soy sauce for color. Then carefully add in the silken tofu and very gently mix. This tofu is very delicate, so don't handle it too much. Also, add a pinch of sugar to balance the heat. And then it's time for the cornstarch slurry, which should be added in 3 increments. Carefully mixing everything together after each addition. This will give you a really cohesive sauce. Cook for another minute or so and it's ready to be dished out. At the table, sprinkle on the green part of the green onion. And definitely don't skimp on dusting on more of the Sichuan peppercorn powder to give that classic look and taste. And here you go, a proper Mapo silken tofu. Deep, complex flavors, smooth, creamy mouthfeel, spicy and numbing. Best enjoyed piping hot and with some white rice. This saucy dish deserves to be eaten with some white rice. Can it get better than this? Try this at home. You won't be disappointed. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.